Today we're uncovering the powerful health benefits of something you probably have in your kitchen right now, baking soda. You might think of it as just a baking ingredient, but this simple compound can do so much more for your body. From soothing heartburn and boosting oral health to even supporting kidney function, baking soda is a game changer you don't want to overlook. Now, before you go grabbing a spoon and digging in, it's important to understand the right way to use baking soda. In this video, we'll explore the science-backed benefits, the potential risks, and most importantly, how to safely incorporate baking soda into your daily routine for maximum health benefits. Stay tuned, because you don't want to miss this. But before we dive in, please do us a favor. If you're interested in health and longevity, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We bring you scientifically researched health content daily. You have nothing to lose, just a wealth of knowledge to gain. Let's start off by talking about heartburn. That burning sensation in your chest, the sour taste in your mouth, it's enough to ruin anyone's day. And that uncomfortable feeling, it's actually acid reflux, where stomach acid flows back up into your esophagus. This happens when the lower esophageal sphincter, the muscle that acts like a valve between your stomach and esophagus, doesn't close properly. This allows that acidic stomach content to creep back up, causing that familiar burning sensation we all know as heartburn. But before you reach for those over-the-counter antacids, remember that while they can provide temporary relief, they don't address the root cause, which is excess stomach acid. Now, that's where baking soda comes in. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is naturally alkaline. This means it has a higher pH than stomach acid, and when the two meet, a beautiful chemical reaction occurs: neutralization. Think of it like this. Baking soda acts like a natural buffer, effectively neutralizing the excess acid in your stomach and bringing your pH levels back into balance. This rapid neutralization can provide almost instant relief from the discomfort of heartburn. But here's the key. Moderation is crucial. To safely and effectively use baking soda for heartburn, dissolve half a teaspoon in a glass of water. And remember to drink it slowly to avoid any potential discomfort. A healthy smile is a sign of overall well-being, and maintaining good oral hygiene goes beyond just brushing and flossing. You see, our mouths are home to a diverse ecosystem of bacteria, and while some are beneficial, others can wreak havoc on our teeth and gums. When we neglect our oral hygiene, these harmful bacteria thrive, leading to a buildup of plaque, that sticky film that clings to our teeth. This plaque produces acids that eat away at tooth enamel, leading to cavities, bad breath, and even gum disease. Now, I know what you're thinking. Dr. Mike, what does this have to do with baking soda? Well, get this. Baking soda can be a powerful ally in your quest for a healthier, brighter smile. Remember how baking soda neutralizes stomach acid? It works the same magic in your mouth. Its alkaline nature helps neutralize the acids produced by plaque, protecting your precious enamel from erosion. But that's not all. Baking soda also acts as a mild abrasive, gently lifting away surface stains and revealing a whiter, brighter smile. And if that wasn't enough, it also possesses antibacterial properties, helping to keep those harmful bacteria in check. To harness the power of baking soda for your oral health, simply sprinkle a small amount on your toothpaste a few times a week. You can even create a DIY mouthwash by dissolving half a teaspoon in a glass of water and swishing it around your mouth for 30 seconds. We've all experienced that itchy, uncomfortable feeling of a fungal infection. Whether it's athlete's foot or a yeast infection, fungus is no fun. Did you know baking soda can help? It has amazing anti-fungal properties. It disrupts fungal growth and maintains pH balance. Create a paste with water and apply it, or try a soothing baking soda bath. Consistency is key, so keep at it. While baking soda is generally safe to use topically, it's essential to use it responsibly. Always start with a small area of skin to test for any potential reactions or sensitivities. If you experience any irritation, redness, or burning, discontinue use immediately and consult with your doctor. Remember, baking soda is a powerful ingredient, and a little goes a long way. When making your paste, avoid using too much water as it can dilute its effectiveness. And when it comes to any kind of infection, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment options. Now I know what you're thinking. Dr. Mike, can I use baking soda for other fungal issues like nail fungus? While there are anecdotal accounts of its effectiveness, the scientific evidence for treating nail fungus specifically is limited. For stubborn cases like that, it's crucial to see a dermatologist or podiatrist for proper diagnosis and treatment. They can determine the underlying cause of the infection and recommend the most effective course of action, which might include prescription medications or other specialized therapies. Let's face it, body odor is a part of life. It's natural, but that doesn't mean we can't try to keep it under control. We all know that bacteria and sweat are the main culprits behind those unpleasant smells, As bacteria break down sweat, they release odorous compounds that can make us feel self-conscious. But here's where baking soda comes to the rescue. This pantry staple is incredibly effective at absorbing moisture and neutralizing odors. It works by neutralizing the acidic compounds present in sweat, essentially making it harder for odor-causing bacteria to thrive. Now, I'm not suggesting you douse yourself in baking soda from head to toe. There are much more practical and less messy ways to incorporate it into your hygiene routine. One popular method is to create your own DIY deodorant. Simply mix baking soda with a bit of coconut oil or shea butter for a smooth consistency. Apply a small amount under your arms like you would with regular deodorant. Not only is this a natural alternative to conventional deodorants, but it's also gentle on your skin and super cost-effective. Now let's talk about another common odor issue. Stinky feet. Our feet are prone to sweating, especially when confined in shoes all day. This creates the perfect breeding ground for bacteria, leading to unpleasant odors that can be quite embarrassing. But don't worry, baking soda can help with this too. Remember its moisture-absorbing and odor-neutralizing properties? Well, they work wonders on feet as well. A simple baking soda foot soak can work wonders in neutralizing odors and leaving your feet feeling refreshed. To create a foot soak, simply fill a basin or tub with warm water and add about half a cup of baking soda. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the baking soda to work its magic. You can even add a few drops of your favorite essential oil like lavender or tea tree oil for an extra soothing and aromatherapeutic experience. After soaking, make sure to dry your feet thoroughly, especially between the toes, to prevent fungal growth. For an added boost, you can even sprinkle some baking soda directly into your shoes after wearing them to help absorb moisture and prevent odors from building up. We've all experienced those annoying skin irritations. Whether it's an itchy bug bite, a rash or a sunburn, relief is a priority. Sometimes the best remedies are in our kitchens. Baking soda can soothe and calm irritated skin. It reduces itching, inflammation and redness. It's gentle and restores the skin's pH balance. Add baking soda to your bath for soothing relief from chickenpox, rashes and sunburn. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste for bug bites. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce swelling and redness. Cover with a bandage to prevent scratching. Remember to always test on a small area first and consult a dermatologist if needed. If you're finding this video informative, please show your support by hitting the like button. It motivates us to keep creating valuable content for you. We all know that feeling, right? You're pushing yourself at the gym, feeling the burn, but then bam! Fatigue hits you like a wall. That's lactic acid building up in your muscles. It's a byproduct of energy production. When it builds up faster than your body can remove it, you feel those aches. Baking soda acts as a natural antacid. It neutralizes lactic acid in your muscles. This may help delay muscle fatigue and improve endurance, but remember, moderation is key. So, how can you incorporate baking soda into your fitness routine safely? Well, some athletes swear by drinking a small amount of baking soda mixed with water before their workouts. A common recipe is about half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Remember, taste it first. It's not exactly lemonade. However, it's important to note that this isn't something you should be doing every single day. Remember, we're talking about maintaining a healthy balance in your body. Overdoing it on the baking soda can throw things out of whack. Think of it as a tool in your arsenal for those particularly grueling workout days when you need a little extra boost. And of course, I always have to say it, but I'm legally obligated. It's crucial to talk to your doctor before adding baking soda to your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Let's talk about UTIs. Many of us, especially women, have experienced them. That burning sensation, the constant urge to go, not fun. UTIs are usually caused by bacteria, most commonly E. coli. This leads to inflammation and unpleasant symptoms. Baking soda can help neutralize urine acidity, but remember, it's not a cure for UTIs. Consult a doctor for proper treatment. If you're thinking about using baking soda for UTI relief, here's the deal. It's not as simple as stirring some into a glass of water and calling it a day. First and foremost, you absolutely must talk to your doctor before trying this. Self-treating a UTI can be risky, and you need to make sure you're addressing the infection properly. If your doctor gives you the green light, they can advise you on the appropriate dosage and method. Typically, this involves dissolving a small amount of baking soda in water and drinking it. But again, the key word here is doctor supervised. We're talking about your health here, and it's not something to mess around with. Now, while baking soda might offer some temporary relief from UTI symptoms, it's crucial to remember that the most effective way to treat a UTI is with antibiotics prescribed by your doctor. Antibiotics target the bacteria causing the infection, ensuring that it's completely eradicated from your system. Let's give it up for our kidneys, those unsung heroes working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep our bodies running smoothly. These bean-shaped powerhouses act as our body's filtration system, removing waste products and excess fluids from our blood like a boss. But they do so much more than just that. They play a crucial role in regulating blood pressure, producing red blood cells, and maintaining the delicate balance of electrolytes in our bodies. In short, our kidneys are pretty darn important, and keeping them healthy should be a top priority. Now, you might be wondering where baking soda comes into play in all of this. Well, recent studies have suggested that baking soda might have a role to play in supporting kidney health, particularly in people with chronic kidney disease, or CKD. CKD is a serious condition where your kidneys gradually lose their ability to filter waste and fluids effectively. This can lead to a buildup of toxins in the body and a whole host of other health problems, and this is where baking soda be able to help. Baking soda and kidney health research is still early, but some studies show it may slow CKD progression. It helps neutralize acid, easing the burden on kidneys. Always consult your doctor before making any changes. Managing CKD requires medical supervision and lifestyle changes. Next up, let's talk calluses. Not glamorous, but baking soda can help. Calluses form from friction and pressure. A baking soda foot soak can work wonders. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons to warm water, soak for 15 to 20 minutes, then gently scrub away calluses. Remember guys, consistency is key. For best results, try incorporating this baking soda foot soak into your routine 2 to 3 times a week. You'll be amazed at how much smoother and softer your feet feel. And here's a pro tip. After your baking soda soak, be sure to moisturize your feet with a good quality lotion or cream. This will help to keep your skin hydrated and prevent those pesky calluses from coming back. Now I know what you're thinking, Dr. Mike, this all sounds great, but is it safe? And the answer is, generally yes. Baking soda is a pretty gentle ingredient, but as always, it's a good idea to do a patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin. So ditch those expensive foot treatments and give this simple baking soda hack a try. Your feet will thank you. All right, let's talk about something super important, metabolic health. Now, I know metabolism might sound like a complex medical term, but it's actually pretty straightforward. Think of it as your body's engine, constantly working to convert food into energy and keep everything running smoothly. When your metabolic health is in tip-top shape, it means your body is efficiently regulating blood sugar levels, producing energy, and managing weight. It's like having a well-oiled machine that's firing on all cylinders, but when things go out of whack, like with conditions like insulin resistance or metabolic syndrome, that's when we run into problems. It's like your engine's sputtering, making it harder to maintain a healthy weight, manage energy levels, and even increases the risk of chronic diseases. Now here's where things get interesting. Emerging research suggests that maintaining a balanced pH level in the body might play a role in supporting metabolic health. And guess what? Baking soda, being a natural antacid, can help us do just that. Now, I want to be clear, the research on baking soda and metabolic health is still in its early stages. We need more studies to fully understand its potential benefits. But some studies have shown that baking soda may help reduce inflammation, which is a key player in many metabolic disorders. Remember guys, I'm a doctor, not a miracle worker. Baking soda is not a magic bullet, and it's definitely not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. Eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and managing stress are still crucial for optimal metabolic health. However, incorporating a small amount of baking soda into your routine, always under the guidance of your doctor, of course, could potentially provide some added support. Think of it as an extra tool in your metabolic health toolkit. So, while we wait for more research, focus on those foundational pillars of health: a nutritious diet, regular exercise, and stress management. And hey, maybe a little sprinkle of baking soda could give your metabolism a little nudge in the right direction. Now, before you start taking baking soda daily, listen carefully. While it has incredible health benefits, overusing it can lead to serious health problems. Let's go over the risks, so you don't make the same mistakes others have. Metabolic alkalosis. This is when your pH goes too high. Baking soda is highly alkaline, and while that can neutralize stomach acid, too much of it can push your blood pH too high. It can cause nausea, muscle twitching, confusion, and even trouble breathing. If you're using baking soda often, be careful. Your body needs balance. Baking soda use may also cause electrolyte imbalances, messing with the sodium and potassium levels in your body. Baking soda is very high in sodium. If you already eat a salty diet, too much baking soda can throw off your body's sodium and potassium balance. This can lead to high blood pressure, muscle cramps, and even irregular heartbeats. Not a risk you want to take. Digestive issues are also common side effects. These include bloating, nausea, and stomach pain. Ironically, while baking soda is used to relieve acid reflux, too much can cause bloating, nausea, and even diarrhea. That's because when baking soda reacts with stomach acid, it produces gas. If you're experiencing bloating after drinking baking soda water, you may be taking too much. Skin irritation might also be a problem. It's not always a good idea for your skin. Baking soda is often used in skincare, but did you know it can actually damage your skin barrier? It can dry out the skin, causing irritation, redness, or even burns if used in high concentrations. If you have sensitive skin, be cautious. Baking soda can also cause interactions with medications. If you're taking medication for high blood pressure, kidney disease, or aspirin therapy, baking soda may interfere with how they work. It can alter how your body absorbs certain drugs, making them less effective or even dangerous. Always check with your doctor before using baking soda regularly. Baking soda might also pose a risk for individuals with certain medical conditions. If you have high blood pressure, kidney disease, or heart problems, baking soda can make things worse. Since it increases sodium levels in the body, it can put extra strain on your heart and kidneys. If you have any pre-existing conditions, consult a medical professional before using it. So while baking soda has great benefits, it's not something you should take recklessly. Now that you know the risks, let's make sure you use baking soda the right way so you get all the benefits without any side effects. Here's exactly how to do it safely. More is not better. The ideal dosage is no more than 1/2 to 1 teaspoon per day, mixed in a glass of water. Taking too much can mess with your pH balance and cause digestive issues. Stick to this safe limit. Baking soda is powerful, but it's not meant for daily, long-term use. If you use it every day for too long, it can cause electrolyte imbalances and increase sodium levels. Use it only when needed or cycle it, like a few times per week, not every single day. If you are thinking of using baking soda for your skin, never apply it directly. Always mix it with water to reduce irritation. A safe ratio is 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a cup of water before applying to your skin. If you have high blood pressure, kidney disease, or are on medications, always check with your doctor before using baking soda. It can interfere with medications and affect sodium levels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more powerful health tips. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous and plan on trying out some of these baking soda hacks, let me know in the comments below. Just type baking soda. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep on exploring those natural remedies.